Good morning students, I am your maths teacher. Today we are going to see about division. What? Division. This division denoted by a symbol like this, divide symbol. Then now we are going to start sums, divide sums. First one, 4 divide 2. This is divisor symbol. So first one, 4 is divided value. 4 is divided value. 2 is divisor. 4 is divided. 2 is divisor. So now look at this table. First one, equal next place value 2, 4, 6. This is divided value. This is divided value. The next 2, this one 2, this one 2. So these 2's are divisor. Then next 1, 2, 3. This is quotient value. This is quotient value. So first sum 4 divide 2. 4 divide 2. So here like this 4 divide 2. This one also divide symbol. So first one 1 2's are 2, 2 2's are 4, 3 2's are 6. But here divided value 4, divisor 2. So how many 2's are 4? 2 2's are 4. So this one correct. So right here already divided value this one, divisor this one, last quotient value 2. So 2 2's are 4. So right here downside 4. So now subtraction. So 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So now quotient value 2. This is quotient value. Then next remainder value 0. This is remainder value. So remainder value is equal to 0. So first sum finished. Next second sum. 6 divide 3. 6 is divided value, 3 is divisor. So first write like this, 6 divide 3. 6 divide 3. So first one, look at the table, third table. 1 3's are 3, 2 3's are 6, 3 3's are 9. But here divided value 6. Where divided value 6? This is 6. So this one possible. So 2 3's are 6. Here have divided value. Here have divisor value. Then quotient value 2. So 2 3's are 6. 2 3's are 6. Right here 6. Next subtraction. So 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. So quotient value 2. This is quotient value. So write the quotient short form Q. So write here 2. Then remainder value. So remainder short form R. So write here remainder value 0. Next third sum, 8 divide 4. 8 divide 4. So fourth table, 1 4's are 4, 2 4's are 8, 3 4's are 12. Here 8 is divided value, 4 is divisor. So how many 4's are 8? 2 4's are 8. Here divided value, here also divided value 8. This one possible. So write 2 4's are 8. So write here 2. 2 4's are 8. So write 8 here downside. So now subtraction. So 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So this is quotient value. This is remainder value. So write quotient value 2, remainder value 0. Next fourth sum. 10 divide 5. 10 divide 5. So now fifth table possible. So 1 5's are 5, 2 5's are 10, 3 5's are 15. So 10 like this, 10 divide 5. So this is divided value. So where divided value 10? Here having 10. So this one possible. So how many 5's are 10? 1 5's are 5, 2 5's are 10. So right here 2 5's are 10. So 10 right downside. So now subtraction. So 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 1 minus 1 also 0. Then next the quotient value R, this one quotient value Q, this one remainder R. So write quotient value 2, remainder value 0. Then next fifth sum, 12 divides 6. 12 is divided value, 6 is divisor. So here 12 divide 6 like this. The first one, here sixth table possible. So 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18. So here divided value 12. So here where 12? So this one 12. So this one possible. So how many 6 are 12? So 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. So right here 2 6 are 12. Next subtraction. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So right here 0. Next 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 is quotient value, 0 are remainder value. So only 1 0 enough. So right here quotient value 2, remainder value 0. Then sixth sum, 21 divides 7. 21 divide 7. 21 are divided value, 7 is divisor. So here write like this, 21 divide 7. So first one, here seventh table possible. So write 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28. First I will select here divided value 21. So select here where divided value 21, this one 21. So this is fully possible. So how many 7s are 21? 3 7s are 21. 3 7s are 21. This is quotient value. So write here quotient value 3. So 3 7s are 21. So now subtraction. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So now write quotient value. This is quotient value 3. Remainder value 0. The next seventh sum, 25 divide 5. 25 divide 5. 25 is divided value, 5 is divisor. So write like this, 25 divide 5. So here fifth table possible. So write here fifth table, 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. But here divided value 25. So here where divided value 25, here having. So 25 is possible. So how many 5s are 25? 5 5s are 25. So write here this one divided value, this one quotient value. So write here quotient value 5. 5 5s are 25. That's all. Next subtraction. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is quotient value, this is remainder value. So write here quotient 5, remainder 0. Then last sum, 12 divide 2. So 12 is divided value, 2 is divisor. So here write like this, 12 divide 2. So here second table possible. So 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8, 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12, 7 2s are 14. But here divided value 12. So where 12? This is 12. So how many 2s are 12? 6 2s are 12. 6 is quotient value. So write here 6. 6 2s are 12. So now subtraction. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So quotient value 6. Remainder value 0. That's all. Students, you will get this worksheet. I have given you some simple questions. So do it and send your answer to the 4th standard Maths NAPS groups between the time 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Okay students, see you in the next class. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.